All right, this is the second hunt today. It's opening day of Virginia, 2014. Evan's already killed his this morning. It's getting late morning. It's probably getting 10:45, 11 o'clock, something like that. It's getting warm. But we heard a gobbler way up on the mountain here. We've already walked in, I don't know, half a mile or so, and it looks like it's probably going to be another quarter mile up there too, and it's real steep. But we'll get up this ridge and see if we can get on him. Gobbling pretty good to our calls, but he's pretty far off. But a lot of times these late morning birds are fun to hunt. Let's go get them. Hear him drumming, can you? The gobbler's kind of to my right. I can hear him drumming up there. I think these are hens down there with my gun's pointed. So be ready to turn right, but if you turn, be really easy. Just take your time and tell me you got him. There he is right in front of me. Are you on him? Yep. You're on him. Yep. Yes, sir, buddy.
Give me some.
Late morning big gobbler. There goes another big one right there.
Yeah. Now we're pushing 11:45 here. This is close.
Late morning big gobbler. I could hear him drumming for 20 minutes. Give me some, brother. Folks, I'm telling you what. You don't have any to get some of these. We called the entire flock off a mountain. Point up there and show them where these turkeys were. This is the first plateau ridge. Comes down off a big mountain. These turkeys were halfway up this mountain. I was doing Jake yelps, acting like a hen. I was switching back and forth between calls between the spurse layer. I was doing some hen yelps on it. Then I put the feather duster in and do some Jake kikis and yelps. Man, the whole flock came in. We had, I don't know how many. You can see this whole area is tore up. There were at least 20 some turkeys, several gobblers. I saw a couple fans at one time. They were just over the hill, and we had to belly crawl about 50 yards up the side of the hill because the hens were out in front of the gobblers. But man, we just waited patiently. I could hear him drumming for, we sat here for 20 minutes. Boom, boom, just over the hill. And I began to see the top of his fan popping over, and I told Evan, he raised the camera up. I mean, it's as good as it gets. This is gobbler number 2 for the day.
See what he looks like.
Evan got one first light. This is about probably 11:30, 11:45. Opening day 2014 here in Virginia. And we got 2 big gobblers down.
Oh yeah.
Look at that rope.
That's a good one right there.
That's beard.
We said we had to walk all the way back in here.
He's got, I don't know, 3/4 inch spurs, something like that. Not much spurs, but that's a heck of a beard. It's a heavy turkey too. It's a real big turkey. Real pretty fan. Yes sir, man. Opening day 2014 Virginia season. Gobbler number 2 down. Cameraman Evan got his early this morning. Shoot, just getting lunchtime. We're gonna go back and do a little celebrating.
I'm hungry, aren't you?
Heck yeah, man. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Thank you.
All right, here's turkey number 2 for the day. Cameraman Evan got the first one. I got this one. As you can see, it was a good hunt. Used a combination of the MFK spur slayer and the feather duster. I was using a spur slayer to do the soft yelps and purring, and the feather duster to do those kikis and jake yelps, and it brought the entire flock in. As you can probably see from the hunt, I just wanted to explain to you my ghetto camouflage. Forgot my face mask this morning, so you know me, get creative. It's a warm day, it's supposed to be in the 80s today. So, true to MFK, I had to get out of these sleeves. So, since I forgot my face mask, I cut my sleeves off my shirt and made me a face mask. It doesn't get much more ghetto, redneck, ingenuity than that. I mean, it works. And hey, I actually like it. I think nephew Evan told me I look like the boogeyman with it on, but I don't know. But that's the reason behind my ghetto camouflage. Just wanted to let you guys know that. So, we're gonna get this thing out of here and get some feathers off of it. Enjoy some turkey tenders on the grill tonight. We'll be coming at you here next week, hopefully with a lot more footage. We got Tori coming up, and we're gonna pound them out. Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gross-Close. This is my nephew Evan Brown. It's opening day of spring season 2014. We just got back to the truck. It's about 11:58 I think when we got to the truck. So we ended up shooting that gobbler about 11:45, and Evan got his at probably 6:45, 7 o'clock this morning, right off the roof, flew down. You can see from the video, it's a good hunt, but using these MFK game calls, hard to beat. A couple nice Virginia gobblers here, real good birds. Good hunt, man. I don't get to hunt my nephew Evan a whole lot, but when I do, we always have a good time. But give me some knuckles, buddy. So, catch y'all next year, opening day. I'm gonna be hard to guard.